These are the Simorr LED video lights. I'll be using these lights for over half a year now. These are the essential lights in my studio. The light is made of plastic. On the back is the plastic too. And here you can screw or just use a cold screw mount. And the light can be put together like this. You just screw it, so every light have 3 slots. So basically you can make like a panel. Let's turn it back. It's very easy to use. Here's the button. You turn it on, push it, and here's the dial. So first one will be the brightness. You turn it down or turn it up. And then you push this dial again, it will become the color temperature control. So you see the difference? And you push the button, you just turn it off. The good thing about these lights is that the battery is inside. You don't need to replace the battery, you just need to charge it. It comes with the USB cable to charge, and when you're charging it, you have the light to indicate how much it has been charged. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.